sing and play. It's ABC time today. A for alligator. A for airplane.
A for astronaut.
A for apple. B for baby. B for bubble. B for bear. B for bat. C for cat. C for car. C for cow. C for chicken. D for dog. D for drum. D for duck. D for dinosaur. E for elephant. E for egg. E for eagle. E for engine.
F for fish. F for frog.
F for fox. F for fire truck. G for goat. G for grass. G for giraffe. G for guitar. H for hen. H for hat. H for horse. H for hippo.
E for igloo. I for island.
I for ice cream. I for insect.
J for jeep. J for jump. J for jellyfish. J for juice. K for kitten. K for kitten. K for key. K for kangaroo. L for lion. L for leaf. L for lamp. L for lollipop. M for monkey. M for moon. M for milk. M for mango. N for nest. N for nose. N for net. N for noodles. O for octopus. O for oven. O for orange. O for owl. P for panda. P for pencil. P for pig. P for pizza. Q for queen. Q. Quiet.
Q for quail. Q for quilt.
R for rabbit. R for rain. robot. R for rocket. S for star. S for strawberry. T for tiger. T for train. T for turtle. T for toothbrush. U for up. U for uniform.
U for unicorn. U for umbrella.
V for van. V for vegetables.
V for vulture. V for violin.
W for whale. W for watermelon. With a wagon. With a vara. X for xylophone. X for X-ray. X for box. X for fox.
E for yogurt. E for yo-yo.
Y for yellow. Y for yak. Z for zoo. For zigzag. Z for zebra. Z for zipper. Now we've learned our ABCs from A to Z so joyfully. See? Great job, little stars! See you next time for more ABC fun!